This kit has everything you need if you're trying to get your waves to that next level. You can get this at Walmart. You guys, so we just got back from Walmart and I don't think I've ever done a full tutorial product demonstration on the Cut Buddy Nick Wavy Collection product. So we're gonna do a full breakdown right now. And these are the 4 items that you need if you wanna get 360 waves. And you can get all these at Walmart and CVS. So the first product that you need when getting 360 waves is obviously a brush. Now we have 2 brushes. We have the Nick Wavy Collection hard brush and we have the Nick Wavy Collection soft brush. Now, how I start my sessions is I use the hard brush, especially right now because I'm wolfing and my hair is super long. So what I do is I hold the brush using the side grips right here that allows my hand to be comfortable while I'm holding the brush. And what I like about this is it's much smaller. I'm able now to be more precise with how I'm using my brush strokes. So you start from your crown, which is the small bald spot on the top of your head. And then what I do is I just brush my hair like this. And what the hard brush does is it develops the pattern. Now this brush is hard, but soft enough to be used when your hair is in that growing stage. So my hair is super long right now. I'm still able to use this and this still gets down to my scalp and pulls my waves from the root, which is super important when you're wolfing. Now I'll do this for about 10-15 minutes. I'll just be watching TV, brushing my hair. The next brush that I would use is the Nick Wavy Collection soft brush. Now the difference between a hard brush and a soft brush is the hard brush is used to pull the waves from the root, and that's how you build your pattern, and the soft brush is used to lay everything down and compress everything. So you might see right now I have frizzy hairs all over my waves. That's because the hard brush is down into the scalp and it's really pulling the waves. Then I'll get the soft brush, I'll just go over my pattern, and when I use this brush, I'm not putting too much force. I'm just lightly going over my waves and I'm letting the bristles do the work because these are a softer bristle. Just let the brush do its job, and you don't have to be too forceful when using your brush. Another strategy I like to use when using the soft brush is I focus on my edges. Now the hard brush, because it gets down to your scalp and you brush your edges, it may irritate your face a little bit. And this is how I get waves right down to my hairline. The hard brush is a little bit more difficult and firm, so that's why I'll use the soft brush and I'll really focus on brushing all the way down to my face. And you can see I kind of have the waves on my forehead and it comes down right onto my head. So that's because I'm using the soft brush and I make sure I brush all the way down, and that's how I keep everything compressed and laid down. After brushing with the soft brush for about 10-15 minutes or however long you want, the game-changing tool is the lay down glove from the Cut Buddy. Now, you may have heard of the plastic bag method previously, but in 2026, we don't do the plastic bag method. This is where this glove comes in handy. We have plastic on the glove like this, and you simply do the same brush stroke that you would do with the brush. And the same thing with the plastic bag. Now what this does is it just lays down every single strand of your hair. This is extremely important when you're wolfing because your hair is out of control, and as you can see, my hair is wild. Let me give you a better example. If I brush my hair like this, you could probably see on my left side that it's a little bit compressed and poofed out. I'm gonna use the glove on the right side, and you could see a difference in how my right side is completely laid down and this side is a little bit fluffy. That's why this glove is a game changer. So when I'm done my session, I get my glove and then I just use the same brush stroke that I would if I was brushing my hair, and then I lay everything down. So when you're done that, the next step is you want to get your do-rag. Now the Nick Wavy Collection do-rag by the Cut Buddy is probably the best do-rag pound for pound that I have found on the market. There's a lot of cheap do-rags, they're bad quality, they're polyester, the strings aren't long, so you get all those wrinkles on your forehead. Like as you can see, I've been wearing do-rags for 20 years, but I never had the right do-rag, so my damage is permanent. Now I've learned from my mistakes and I've made the do-rag that has wider straps that will not cause those lines on your forehead. So a few things that I want to discuss and show you guys about the do-rag is the stitching. Now you could see on the stitching here that everything is very compressed and there's no holes on the stitching. Now what that would cause is, let's say you're taking off your do-rag or you put it in the wash. If you have a little gap, that's going to slowly start to stretch. Now the stitching on this is tightly knit, so there's less room for damage or errors or holes in your do-rag. So the stitching on this, thumbs up. The second thing I love about this do-rag is, like I mentioned earlier, the straps. Now, the second thing I love about this do-rag is how long the strings are. Now, I'm able to tie my do-rag, wrap it around my head, and I can do a comfortable tie. I don't have to tie it in a tight knot, which would cause further damage. Boom, easy. And that was very comfortable. There's no pressure on my head and there's no lines. Now the third benefit to this do-rag is, like I mentioned earlier, how wide the straps are. So I just open up my flaps like that. Just like that. And boom. I now have a fully tied, comfortable do-rag. The straps are wide enough. The straps are also long enough, so it's an easy tie in the back. It's wide enough on the forehead, and then I have enough room on the tail to even tie it up in a knot or compress it and tie it in the back of my do-rag just like that. And that's it. So those were 4 easy steps on how to get 360 waves using products from Walmart. I think the grand total for all of these would have cost me maybe $30. So you got 2 brushes. So in that deal, you got 2 brushes, a hard brush and a soft brush, and you need both if you want to take your waves to that next level. To take your waves to that next level, you need to wolf, so your hair's gonna get a bit longer. That's why we have the lay down glove, and you need this in your arsenal for sure. And then finally, we have the do-rag. And if you don't have a do-rag, your 360 waves are gonna struggle. Something I forgot to mention, in the do-rags, we also have the crown patch. Now, if you wanna take your waves seriously to that next level, you have to have waves in your crown. And what this does is you place it on your crown area, and then you put your do-rag on top of that, and it gives extra compression to the thin hair in your crown. And that comes with the do-rag. So literally, this kit has everything you need if you're trying to get your waves to that next level. You can get this at Walmart. Back when I started waving in 2009 actually, there was no products that were built for 360 waves. We had bad brushes, the do-rags were bad, and all the products were fully made with chemicals, and it would just damage your hair. And that was an issue that I had when I started waving. So now that I'm in a position to create products that are easier for you to achieve your hairstyle, it's better for your hair health, and the process is just so simple now, I think that's probably the best thing that I have been able to accomplish in being a waver, is making the path for you to get 360 waves much easier. So yeah, Walmart, CVS, it's that simple.